We're playing hide and seek in the jungle. I throw a toy and they gotta go find it. There's Zoe. She gave up. Rosie gave up. Somebody's got it, I'm sure. Buddy Backer, the king. Come here, buddy. Bring it here. Good dog. Wanna throw it again? Okay. Ready, everyone? Here we go. Gabriel! Good job, Gabe! Good job! Where'd it go? Somebody steal it? Mikey? There's Bella. She loves the jungle. Oh, ready? Ready? I'll try to hold the camera with this hand this time. Mark? Rosie always runs out and runs right back. She's so cute. And Zoe too. Little Zoe won't come out. She's like, yeah, I'm done for the day. And Mikey. Let's see. You want to take bets on who gets it? I'll bet it's Buddy Backer. There's Bailey. It's not Bailey. And it's not Duke. I win. It's Buddy and he plopped down with it. He's done. I gotta see. It's like rest time. Oh, Budrow. Are you tired, Pop? Let's go see if we can find him. That's Gabe. Oh, he's hoarding it. Hey, buddy, what do you got? Move, Gabe. Gabriel, come here. What you got, bud? Oh, there's Bella. You can't even see her. I don't even know where she went now. Is it Bella? It might have been Zoe. Alright. I'm gonna have to get the toy back from Buddy. Gabriel's demanding it. But he's a good boy, he won't take it from him. I will though. Okay, gotta go. I don't think I can throw it. Yeah, we'll try it. Okay, ready? Ready? Good job, Bella. Good job. Yes, I know. Anybody have any luck? Talking about it? Okay, thank you. There it is again, and it's Buddy Backer again. He's the champion. Alright, gotta go. Love y'all. Bye.